In states like Idaho, they haven't even legislated a criminal law about tracking devices. It is perfectly legal to use one without the consent of the car owner.
I'm about to show you a complete stranger can secretly track every single place you go in your car for just under 30 bucks. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal their secret, show you where they hide these things, and give you a step-by-step guide as to how to take your privacy back. You are not going to believe how easy this is.
Women across America are sounding the alarm. They're posting videos of the shocking moment they say they found Apple AirTag tracking devices secretly planted on their car. Some find them hidden behind license plate or inside bumpers, and even attached to the undercarriage.
It's taped to my car.
I just got in my car and I'm getting a notification on my phone that there's an AirTag nearby. Now, I have no idea who put this on my car, but we're gonna find where it is. This is a hidden camera detector and a GPS tracker. So all I do is just scan my whole car. So thankfully for this, I probably wouldn't have found this AirTag so easily. Honestly, after this situation, I'm making sure all my friends and family get one of these because honestly, nowadays it's super important to make sure that people aren't following you or just different type of technology in bathrooms like hidden cameras. This detects all of that.
You think that GPS on your phone is the only one watching? Wrong. It's like having an invisible backseat driver who is secretly live streaming your every single move. And there could be a secret tracker in your car right now, sending your location to a stranger every 5 seconds. Some of these last for months on a single charge, while others are like a parasite wiring directly into your car so they never die. They see your every store visit, your every friend, and it's like they've just put a digital tripwire around your surrounding, sending them an alert the second you cross it. And the craziest part, anyone can buy one of these on Amazon for $30 or less, and that's completely insane.
Hey guys, Private Investigator here. Let's talk about GPS tracking devices. Everyone is scared that they might find one on their car, and the reality is with these strong magnets built into these really small, dark devices, they're really easy to hide. In states like Idaho, they haven't even legislated a criminal law about tracking devices. It is perfectly legal to use one without the consent of the car owner. In the state where I operate the most, the state of Utah, you're not guilty of unlawful installation of a tracking device if you're a licensed private investigator. It says it right in the criminal statute. Remember, the key is always to keep yourself and your family safe.
It's like your car's secret USB port located right under your dashboard. A tracker plugs in faster than you can buckle your seatbelt. And number 2, under the trunk, they stick a magnetic box to the plastic lip, and then it Number 2 is under the trunk. They stick a magnetic box to a plastic lip, and when you close, it's completely invisible. Number 3, the glove box. All they do is shove it all the way to the back of the glove box, and it's like hiding a secret in plain sight, buried at the back of a messy junk drawer where you'll never find it. Number 4, the frame of your car. You have to get on the ground for this one. They stick it onto the frame like a barnacle on a ship, and out of sight, out of mind, it's just clinging on for the ride. Number 5, inside the spare wheel well. They pop the cover, drop it in, and then put the carpet back. You could be chauffeuring a spy across the country and you have absolutely no idea. Before you crawl under your car, I'll show you a crazy life hack. Think of your phone's Bluetooth menu as a digital metal detector, scanning the air for strange signals. Just open it. If you see a weird device like TK905 or a bunch of random numbers, you found it. If you don't see anything, just grab a plastic tool, pop the trim off the bumper, and look for a little black box. If you found one, don't smash it. Take pictures first. You're gonna need them to expose these guys. I know what you're thinking. Is this even legal? Putting a tracker on someone's car without their permission is a huge crime in most places, not like the one you just saw. But some car dealerships hide it like a Trojan horse in your paperwork, sneaking the word GPS into the fine print. You need to check your contract right now if you have one. If it's not in there, you can tell them to remove it immediately, or you can sue them for invading your privacy. If you didn't put it there, someone else is actually breaking the law.
So since we've been covering GPS trackers today, I wanted to answer a question from a different angle. So what should you do if you find a GPS tracker on your vehicle or another item of yours? If this has ever happened to you, you know that this is a very unsettling feeling. So what do? First off, try not to panic. These devices can be used by law enforcement with a warrant, as we've established, or they can be used by private individuals like jealous partners, debt collectors, private investigators, and stalkers. The later four are obviously illegal. So what do? Step 1, document it. Take clear photos of where the device was and where it was located and the condition of your car. Now, step 2, don't tamper right away. So if you suspect it's law enforcement, that's a law enforcement device, destroying that device can make things worse for you. It could be destruction of government property. If you think it's a private individual, you may want that evidence for court. So step 3, contact an attorney, especially if you think it's law enforcement. Do not just destroy the thing. They can help you understand if the tracker was placed legally or illegally. And then step 4, report it if you don't think it's law enforcement. If you believe someone other than police put it there, file a police report for stalking or harassment. End of story. Finding a tracker, guys, it isn't just creepy. It could have serious legal implications. So always protect yourself the smart way. Stay clean. Stay up.
And here's another one. If it's a battery one, you can literally just pull it off and that's it. It's hardwired. It's like snipping a weed at the root. Just snip 2 tiny wires and it's powerless. It's just that easy. And here's a programmer move. After you take it out, throw the tracker into a metal box. That box acts like a signal-proof vault. The person's spine will think the battery just died at your house, giving you the time to call the police. But you think those trackers were crazy? The newest ones are like digital chameleons, and I'm serious. They are thinner than your credit card and can blend right into your car's taillight. They sip power like a hummingbird sips nectar, so they can run forever without you noticing. Just for a few $100, anyone can have this insane tech delivered to their door tomorrow. So I'm going to challenge you to do this 1-minute test right now. Grab a small mirror and a flashlight. Your mirror and flashlight are like a dentist tools, letting you peek inside the crevices you'd never normally see. And we're going on a speed run to find these things. Check under your bumpers, inside your wheel wells, and in the spare tire area. If you see a little black box that doesn't belong, you found the spy. Do this once a month. It's faster than checking your oil and way far more important.
How do you know if your car has a GPS tracker? Well, there's 2 types. One's to transmit your real-time location, and the others record the data to be picked up later. If you have an iPhone and they're tracking you with an AirTag, then it will pop up an alert on your phone saying that there's a tag in the area. The newest update will tell you that the tag is moving with you. This just now happened to a lady in Texas. She thankfully went directly to the police department. They helped her search for it. And now that they found it, the guy is sitting in jail because AirTags are linked to an Apple ID. For every other type, you're going to have to physically search for it. Since it can be magnetic or with double-sided tape, you're going to have to check everywhere. Inside wheel wells, bumpers, engine compartment, anywhere on the vehicle. Make sure to check inside the vehicle. Unfortunately, in America, 1 in 6 women are stalked, and the majority of those are by someone that they actually know intimately. If you do find one, do not remove it. Immediately go to the police. Hopefully, they'll be able to track the SIM card and who it belongs to.
Your car should be about freedom, not a fishbowl for spying. In just a few minutes, we showed you how to find and destroy any secret tracker. Now you have the power. Check the port, check the trunk, check the frame, take your privacy back, and keep your story yours. Thank you for joining, and I will catch you in the next one.